Hi guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the May 2018 Birchbox. Now, I did receive this a couple weeks ago, but I just didn't get a chance to put up the video. So today I'm going to do 4 different quick videos to show you a few of the boxes that I got this month. So if you don't subscribe to any beauty box subscriptions and you're wondering where to start, watch this channel because I will be doing unboxings of different beauty box subscriptions every month. I do subscribe to a lot of them and there's a lot of them that I really love, and it's a great way for you to try different products. Birchbox is only $10 a month and you get around 5 beauty items. Sometimes they're full size, but usually they're a deluxe sample size. And you know, a lot of the products that are in my daily makeup and beauty routine, they come from different beauty box subscriptions because I may not have ever thought to try them unless I received them in these different kits. And they have a loyalty program, so for every dollar you spend, you get 10 points added to your account. So basically it's 10% back. So let's take a look at this month's Birchbox. Now every month it comes in a box and the boxes are designed in, different ways. I don't keep these boxes, I just throw them out. So honestly, I don't really care what the design is on the box because I'm just going to throw it out anyways. But it is cute for it to come in a cute little box. Inside it also has a card that tells you what all of the items are. So this month the theme is Soak in the Sunshine. So the first 2 products that were in here are hair products, and I like getting hair products because I travel a lot, so when I get them in the travel size containers, it's really easy for me to just throw in my suitcase. These are 2 products I haven't tried yet. These are by Matrix, and this is their Total Results Mega Sleek Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner. It says that these are suitable for color treated hair, so I am looking forward to trying these out. Alright, the next product is a lip treatment product, and as you may know, I am obsessed with lip products, lipstick, especially lip glosses, and I was really excited to see that I had a lip treatment product in here. This is by Hannah Lee or Hannah Lai, and it's a clear lip treatment, and it says that it's enriched with tropical botanicals, and it's moisturizing, it has agave, grapeseed oils, and it's supposed to give you the softest lips ever. Well, let me tell you, I was so excited. I ripped this thing open, put some on, and it honestly just looks like a Vaseline when you squirt it out. Rubbed it all over my lips, and I have never in my entire life had a lip product that I had to not just wipe off, but wash off with soap afterwards. There is some kind of scent in this. I don't know what it is. It smells like motor oil or baby diaper rash cream. I don't even know. I know those don't even smell the same. I cannot figure out what this scent is. And I have a hound dog nose, so usually I can figure scents out. And now my fingers smell like baby diaper rash cream. Another product that I received in here is by Comfort Zone. It's their Remedy Cream to Oil Ultra Gentle Cleanser. I've never tried this before, but this is just a creamy cleanser that turns into an oil, and it says it's great for red skin and sensitive skin, and it just looks like a moisturizer, a creamy moisturizer. It has no scent at all, so that's nice. So it'd be really nice for sensitive skin. I might try this out for maybe a morning cleanse. And the last product that was in this month's Birchbox is by Nyakio. I've never heard of this brand. And this is a Kenyan coffee face polish. And this is cruelty-free and it was made in the USA. It says it's an energizing face scrub infused with Kenyan coffee, antioxidants, and jojoba oil. It just comes out kind of like a paste, like a thick paste. And the granules in it are very small. It just looks like ground up coffee, so it doesn't seem very rough at all. Doesn't really smell that much like coffee, but I can see that there actually is coffee grounds in here. So I don't really use face scrubs or face polishes. I try to be a little more gentle on my face, but when I get these, I like to use them on my neck and my chest or on the backs of my hands. So I'll try this out and see how I like it. That wraps it up for this month's Birchbox, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you. And if any of these products intrigue you and you would like for me to do a detailed review on them, please let me know down below and I'll be more than happy to provide a detailed review. I hope you liked this video and I hope you'll consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe and you want to know when I post a new video, just click that little bell when you subscribe and you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.